Let's do a daytime smoky eye. I'm gonna start with my base, going in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I wore this last night too, and I miss this foundation so much. I used to wear it all the time. I'm gonna lighten it a bit with my Dior concealer. I love this concealer. I just used it yesterday for the first time, and I'm like, why was I sleeping on this concealer? Because it's really good. I feel so hungover, even though I didn't drink much last night. I literally had a quarter of my drink, which was a tequila soda. But because we went to bed around 2 a.m., I just feel hungover. Anyone else feel really off without brows on? Or is it just me? Persona in Dune for bronzing and contouring. Now that I look a bit orange, going in with Kiss because this is a little bit more on the cooler side, so it's gonna balance everything. I'm gonna show you the view that I'm looking at because it's stunning. This is my view that I'm looking at, and this is my little desk. I just got these Chanel mini eyeshadow palettes. They're the Tweed collection, and I'm gonna go in with this brownie shade. I think it's number 1. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelids. I'm going in with the Persona Swipe Up in Warm Brown. This fills it in, and then of course we can brush it upwards. I'm going in with my Persona Brown Liner. I'm creating a really messy line, and then I'm quickly blending it with my fingers, smoking out the bottom lash line. Going in with the mascara that I'm testing. This is in my top 4, I want to say. Bubble on top of Kiss. The only lip liner I brought on this trip, Persona in Almond. Finishing with Kiss on my lips. A little bit of this goes a long way, so just kind of blend it all over. Makeup and hair is done, although this is yesterday's hair and it lasted pretty well. I moved a bit further from the window so you can really see the smoky eye because it's really bright by the window. And this is the finished look. And my robe is coming off, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'll see you next time.